Welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to share a profile link on Facebook using your Instagram app. This is a great way to connect with friends and share interesting accounts you come across. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Step 2. Once you're in the app, navigate to the profile you want to share. You can do this by scrolling through your feed or using the search bar to find the desired page. Tap on the profile to open it. Step 3. Now that you're on the profile page, look for the 3 dots located at the top right corner of the screen. Tapping these dots will open a menu with several options. Step 4. From the menu, select Share this profile. This option allows you to easily share the profile link with others. Step 5. Finally, you can choose to share the profile link using Messenger or any other apps installed on your device. Just select your preferred method, and you're ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully shared a profile link on Facebook. Whether it's a friend's account, a business page, or a favorite influencer, sharing profiles is simple and effective. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.